This is Sewefontein. On this side of the farm you can clearly see the dry land. Years of grazing have left their mark on this soil. Still, the landscape tells a story of survival in between. The aloes grow strong, standing tall through the harsh seasons. This is the beauty and the struggles of Sewefontein.